Education has received 171,000 sanitary towels donation from United States Agency for International Development, East Africa. The donation will benefit vulnerable girls in primary and junior secondary schools in line with the government's effort to keep learners in school. Education Principal Secretary Bello Kipsang said that the sanitary towels will make a significant difference in the lives of young girls in schools. Bello added that provision of sanitary towels to needy girls has reduced dropout rates and improved their performance.
The USAID has donated 171,000 packets of sanitary towels to benefit vulnerable girls in primary and junior school. These 171,000 packets will be able to support more than 500,000 girls in our schools. The government of Kenya has set aside 940 million towards the sanitary towels program. The sanitary towels intervention is required to address the needs of many girls at the menstrual age in schools whose greatest challenge is absenteeism in schools.
Of our long-standing partnership with Kenya, it's partnership built on a shared commitment to education and the boundless potential of the Kenyan people. Together we've made great progress, and working together we will continue to support Kenya's students to achieve their fullest potential.